In this segment, we're going to talk about enabling prior trend analysis with the Trade Finder. As you can see here, in this section, I have a trade highlighted for CL, and I have prior trend turned on this chart, and I have it turned on for 5 segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can see that in this scenario, we show a trade in the section with the default settings without prior trend analysis, but we do not show a trade up here in this section with the prior trend analysis. So let me explain why you do not see a trade here. If you look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So you're in the top section of the prior trend, and here it's kind of scrunched up a bit, but here is the highlighted zone on the 69.30, okay? And you can't see that, but so you can see there's your band right here, and you've got your opposing fresh zone, your target up here at 70.27. But you are high in the prior trend. So in this scenario, this trade would not be highlighted because this would be an area where you'd more likely be looking for a short as opposed to a long trade. So let me show you where the prior trend setting is. So we're going to go here to this section, and I'm going to go to Studies, and I will have to click another spot because I want to do studies just for CL, not the studies for all symbol. And I would like to tell you that I could tell you exactly where to click on the radar screen each time, but you'll just have to click one of the different parameters under the Trade Finder to get there. So now we can see here that we have this setting, prior trend analysis is set to true. Prior trend segments is set to 3, which is the default, which breaks trend up into thirds. But if your trade strategy, let's say maybe you want to break your prior trend up into fifths, then you would make this 5 segments. So you have that ability to adjust for that. One of the things I almost forgot to tell you about is the prior trend segments to use setting. So in this case, it would be 1. So you would be doing the extreme setting. So in other words, you would only be looking for a short trade in this upper segment. If you set that to 2, then you would be looking for a short trade in these 2 segments. So hopefully that will give you another option as you look at your trend.